I'm caught inside your silent storm, a raging calm that keeps me warm. You are lightning like a candle, fire untamable yet so fragile. You blaze through the shadows and melt through my mirror. You are lightning like a candle, holding chaos by the handle. Your spark